It's 6:13 a.m. and it's time for my last sunrise. I woke up with like this anxious feeling in my stomach because before I need to go because I'm late, but I woke up with this anxious feeling in my stomach because I hadn't felt anything before right now. But okay, I'll see you there because I'm running late.
At 4 on my knee.
Y'all, you know I had 4 out of 5.
I should get it off!
This video?
Literally the BG. I just won't go! Someone get it off! I don't like it!
Holy shit. Alright. Thanks for a nice juicy day. Should I take my shirt off? It's mine. Whatever. I would keep that mouth shut. I would keep that.
So tiny.
Ackages.
You can barely see it.
Yeah, you can. But that's how it should be. I don't want it to be like. We could take a Sharpie.
We could.
Maybe I'll come fill it in one day. I'll send you a pic.
Okay.
Part of her day, like. Huge.
Oh, that's so cute.
I don't know if that's cute.
Wait, nah, my face is like gone.
Are we just gonna? It's video.
Oh.
Oh my God. I'm literally staring at the camera.
Why
with,
not?
Like,
Love
lips
you.
emojis.
I'm watching all your vlogs today so when I'm sad. Like, I already planned it. I'm watching all of them.
Subscribe to my channel if you want.
Love you.
You matter. You matter forever and always.
Forever and always.
Forever and always.
Oh, my hair's getting curly.
Never
I gotta
had a
go
better
straighten it.
photographer.
Okay. Okay. Thanks. Time to part ways.
Love you guys.
First and last run.
First and last.
Did I vlog that video?
Yeah.
This video.
Wait.
Oh, I thought it was a
look
picture.
like? Hello, my old friend.
I know. I was watching your video yesterday.
Hey. I should start vlogging. We just did a 5K. Yeah.
Yeah.
Nat's leaving.
Last living.
This is the last day of PONAT.
Yeah, actually.
PONAT.
Last of USC Nat coming out.
USC Nat. All right. Catch you on the flippity flip.
And day out.
Oh my God, is that another?
Behind us.
Hello.
Can't scan
What is
his
wrong
eye.
with this?
Jude's turn.
Oh.
wait, that's so cute.
I feel like squeezing her. I feel really bad.
Why do I never realize the video?
Oh, is it actually a video?
Oh,
Every time.
California, be kind.
California girls, undeniable.
Come at your popsicle.
Melted.
Come out your popsicle. Roll Raiders. Should I plug myself? Plug. Yo, you can follow me. TikTok, Bella Beans.
Bella Beans. Okay, I'm just sitting at my favorite spot. I'll show you. It's so cute. I'm so sad this tree fell. I was sitting over there last week, just thinking, but it's 9:30 and I'm leaving at 12, I think. Honestly, I don't know. I should probably text my mom what time we're leaving and listening to a sign of the times, and I'll always remember you. They really hit different. It doesn't feel real, but like now it does because I'm crying. But we just did our last workout and I have to go home and finish packing. Okay, while I'm sitting here, I'm gonna text them all like little paragraphs. Okay, bye. Goodbye. So all my clothes are currently in this duffel bag, but I need to split them into this suitcase, and then there's another one outside, and then that one too, maybe. Okay, this is it. Goodbye, very messy room. Very messy. Take this. I need this. Okay, that's it. It's the next day now, and we're at my family member's apartment because I move in tomorrow. But basically last night we just got Din Tai Fung, which is like my favorite restaurant, and we went to Target and picked up like random things that I needed. This morning I went to Home Goods, got towels, and like a bathroom organizer thing. But later we're going to IKEA, and just now I organized this thing that I got on Amazon, and I just put makeup and skincare in here. Okay, I didn't film that much today because we were just out shopping, but I'm about to do my skincare routine and just want to catch you up. Basically, we just went to IKEA, Bed Bath & Beyond, CVS, and just bought like everything I needed because I only brought my clothes. And I got this lamp from IKEA, and it's too bright, so I'm just gonna, yeah, basically that's it. I think this video is gonna be 2 days worth of moving / traveling / saying goodbye. That felt like so long ago, but it was really just a day ago. And I'll see you tomorrow when I move in to my apartment.